Everyone, this is a video example of showing how to be more professional of selling items on eBay. So I sold this motherboard with the processor. It came from the working unit. I use these static bags. I also using heat sealer. This one I have for more than 20 years. You can buy something more industrial like this online. It has variable adjustable heat sensing. And this is usually the way I do. The next step, I'm using this tape. You can buy this on eBay as well. It lasts me for more than 15 years. It was a big roll, like this big. And I'm attaching this tape. If you doesn't have sealer and you simply want to bend this, you can put it over here on a seal. But that's how I'll do this, and I'll show you how I'm packing this thing. In my case, I will also use the bubble wrap bag. Just like this. I'm not gonna damage it so it can be reused again. And you can just use the packing paper in this case. On outside, I always use eBay tape. and I use fragile tape. I'm getting accurate weight, which is 2.7. And then measure exactly box. 2.7, 5, 12, 14. I also use a USPS self-adhesive envelopes. You can get them from USPS website for free. You can simply slide this inside envelope. You create the label on eBay itself. You only need to go to USPS Postal Service office, and then you can use this paper for the packaging, and then simply apply the label covering other labels, just like that, and this package is ready to go. Thanks so much for watching. This was the way I professionally do this for eBay and send in my items. In this case, customers received great product and enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching.